you say to your child in the night? Nothing's so black, but then nothing's so white. How do you say it will all be alright when you know that it mightn't be true? What do you do? Care for the things you say. Children will listen. Care for the things you do. Children will see and learn. Children may not obey, but children will listen. Children will look to you for which way to turn to learn what to be. Care for before you say, listen to me. Children will listen. Care for the wish you make. Wishes are children. Care for the path you take. Wishes come true. Not free. Care for the spell you cast, not just on children. Sometimes the spell may last past what you can see and turn against you. Care for the tale you tell, that is a spell. Children will listen. How do you say to a child who's in flight, don't slip away and I won't hold you tight? What can you say that no matter how slight won't be misunderstood? What do you leave to your child when you're dead? Only whatever you put in their head. Things that your father and mother had said, which were better to them. Careful what you say. Children will listen. Care for you do it too. Children will see and learn. Guide them but step away. Children will glisten. Temper with what is true. Children will turn to be free.